This is nice, man. Now, I don't know. Should I add some landing gear to this? Hello, everyone. Here we have it. We have the second official flight of the P-51 Mustang. Now, I'm actually gonna be recording every single flight on all my planes now. I'm gonna be tally marking the bottom of my aircrafts, so that way I know exactly how many successful flights and how many failed flights we actually have on that plane if we keep it for longer time. So, let's get in the sky. That was a little hard launch, but we got it. Almost stalled it. So yeah, keep that momentum when you're turning, guys. You don't want to stall your plane. Wow. This is a very, very nice plane. Wow. I can actually fly really slow. I like that. And I like that I can fly pretty fast. Damn, that aileron is, that rudder is crazy. Look at that. Wow. That's 70% all the way around for everything. Watch those wires. I feel like if I put some FPV gear on here, I would be like really butter smooth. Look at that. Whoa. Awesome. This is nice. This is nice, man. Now, I don't know. Should I add some landing gear to this? I feel like this needs some retracts though, so let me know in the comments down below. Should I just save up some? Look at that. Wow. Should I save up some? Look at that. That's straight. No hands on the sticks. Should I save up some money and buy some retracts? Now, retracts are a little expensive. So that's the only reason I haven't bought any retracts. Look at that. Wow. Keep it in the park, can we? Nope, almost. We just gotta be very careful. Keep that momentum up. All right, guys. This is nice. Look at that. Look at that, man. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. Now, the build, it is a little hard, but I'm gonna be honest with you. Flight Test does an amazing job on explaining how to build every single model they have. So I don't think that should be a problem. Especially John Overstreet with this model. I think he did a wonderful job explaining how to build this model. Look at that. Wow, this is amazing, man. Now, don't get discouraged. I was discouraged for about a year to build this. So, and now look at me now. Look at me now. I'm flying a P-51D Mustang. Now, I did used to have the little tiny one, the little tiny, like, it was like 19 inches, I think it is, 18 inches. Woo! Smooth butter, man. Smooth butter. So we're gonna come in for a landing, and we're gonna call it a day for this plane. That was an amazing second flight. I really don't have no negative comments about this plane. Woo! Look at that, man. All right, enough spinning around over there, and let's bring her in for a landing. Look at that. A little hard, but it was all right. High rates, look at that. So as long as our nose is actually like pretty good, I don't literally have no problem with it. And that was it. That was it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, man. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. We're getting really far. We have a lot of new people every single day. It's like 2, 3, 4, 5 new subscribers, man. Welcome everyone. My name is CrossGen. For those of you that don't know me, here we build awesome planes like this, man, just like this. Now, if you have a special request, anything old, anything new, anything that you're designing, please reach out to me, and I would love to put it in the sky and give my input in it, and hopefully help you help me. All right, so that's basically what we do here. We help each other out, we learn new things, we build big things, small things, all type of stuff. It's 2023, guys, so this is basically where we're headed. You see where we started, now look where we're at now, a year and some change later. So I hope everyone is able to follow the journey and is able to basically grow the same way. Now, there's a lot of people that are very much older than me, so I'm pretty sure you guys are building balsa wood planes and all types of crazy planes. But for those of you guys that are new to the hobby, I hope you guys are following along with me, because it will make me feel like we're actually flying together and we're actually learning at the same time, even though we're a ways apart. Please drop a thumbs up if you like this plane, man. Like, should I build another one? Should I build a bigger version? A bigger version, like 150, 200? All right, this is what we're gonna do. If you guys want me to do 150%, everybody comment a checkpoint or a thumbs up, right? Now, if you want me to do a 200%, everybody do exclamation points, right? Exclamation points is gonna be super. It's gonna make it, like, you know what I mean? So that's basically how we're gonna do it. And the next time we see one of these, it should be either 150 or 200. But that's it, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next one. Stay creative.